Fiji's culinary landscape is a vibrant tapestry woven with tradition and taste, yet many travelers unknowingly stumble into common pitfalls. Let's dive into the 5 mistakes you might be making when selecting local cuisine in Fiji. Ignoring traditional Fijian dishes like kokoda, lovo, and palusami is like turning a blind eye to the island's soul. These dishes are not just meals, they're stories of Fiji's history served on a plate. So when in Fiji, do as the Fijians do, savor the authenticity. Not trying street food is another misstep. The streets of Fiji are a carnival of flavors, where samosas, roti wraps, and fish and chips, with a local twist, reign supreme. These mobile kitchens are where the heart of Fijian cuisine beats the strongest. Sticking to touristy areas can lead to a diluted culinary experience. Venture out. Local villages and less frequented towns are where you'll find the true essence of Fijian cooking. And remember, food safety is paramount. Choose eateries with high customer turnover and avoid raw or undercooked seafood to keep your adventure a pleasant one. Lastly, not seeking local recommendations is a missed opportunity. Locals are the keepers of culinary secrets, from the tastiest roadside stalls to the most heartwarming family-run restaurants. Engage with them, and you'll unlock a treasure trove of dining experiences. In conclusion, to truly embrace Fiji's culinary delights, avoid these common mistakes. And if you're looking to dive deeper into Fiji's food scene, consider a guided tour with Far and Away Adventures. Ready to savor the flavors of Fiji? Contact us and embark on a journey that tantalizes your taste buds and nourishes your soul. Book with a French Polynesia Islands at Far and Away Adventures.